everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I am going to make watermelon juice. Watermelons are quite in season and so I thought of preparing this juice at home. For the juice, we will be using only this red part of the melon. So we need to remove the seeds. It's not very difficult to remove watermelon seeds if you cut them in thin slices like these. Then just cut out the small part from top, and with the help of a knife or spoon you can remove the seeds as well. But do not throw the watermelon rind because you can make a lot of different recipes like watermelon rind chutney, pakoras, halwa, etc. with this. Now to prepare the juice, I have roughly chopped the watermelon pieces and will be adding them in my blender. Adding 1/2 of a medium sized lemon, salt as per taste, pinch of black pepper powder, and water as needed. Once all the ingredients are added, cover it with a lid and secure it tightly. Once done, we need to blend it really well. So here we have our juice all ready. It has got such a lovely color, right? Here I have some more watermelon. We'll be adding few more pieces around the glass. And pour this. So our watermelon juice is all ready to be served. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.